The hibiscus. These words are hard, okay? I'm not a scientist. Reading doesn't have anything to do with science, but you know. Hello, everybody, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crew. So for today, we are going to be doing another unboxing. I have the Merkaela box right here. I hope I'm saying that correctly. It is so stinking cute, and it's not really showing up on camera, but this is such a pretty blue. Oh my gosh. So if you guys would like to see what came in this box, then just keep on watching. Okay, so let's read up on this box and then we will get into it. So this is an all-natural self-care and wellness products for conscious beings. They have 4 different boxes that you can choose from. There is the soap box, which is $16. There is the deluxe box, which is $68. There's the essential box, which is $36. And then there is the Shea Body Butter box for $22.50. And these are all quarterly. If you use the code SOLSTICE at checkout, you will get a discount. I will leave that right here for you guys. It ships in 3 to 5 business days, and it ships out in the last week of December, March, June, and September. They offer natural, organic, and chemical-free products. I love it when companies do that. They have 2 subscription options. There's the basic subscription, and then there's the vegan subscription. Again, I'm falling in love with this company. And you will receive up to 6 to 8 self-care and wellness products. And this is also a cruelty-free company. Check, 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 check. Amazing. All right, you guys, let's jump in. So here it is. And this says wellness and self-care rituals to align the mind, body, and spirit. So, oh, that's pretty. Oh, it smells so good. First thing I'm smelling right off the bat is definitely lavender. Your wellness journey begins now. Oh, this is so nicely packaged. I don't want to rip it. Okay, I have to. See, I told you guys, I'm super dainty when I'm opening packages. I don't want to just rip into it. They spend so much time making it look so nice. I don't want to ruin it. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I am aligned. An affirmation. I place my beliefs in alignment with the experiences I wish to have. I am attuned to my higher purpose, and my life reflects this refinement. My life is beautiful, and more beauty is revealed to me each day. I'm going to put that in my wallet. That is so nice. Okay. So I think I might have gotten the soap box. Yes, I did. So here is the Tea Tree Bar Soap Disinfectant. Yes. Ingredients are saponified organic oils of palm, coconut, olive and palm kernel, natural tea tree essential oil blend with organic rosemary extracts and aloe vera. Wow. That smells divine. Wow. So here's what the soap looks like. So this is the soap box. So that would mean this one would be $16 a month. Or not a month. I'm so sorry. Quarterly. $16 quarterly. And then next we have, oh, I knew I smelled lavender. The Oatmeal Lavender Bar Soap. This is soothing. It has the organic oils of palm, coconut, olive and palm kernel, natural lavender essential oil blend with organic lavender oil, organic oatmeal, and rosemary extract. Ooh, that one looks different. Wow. That's what that one looks like. And this says it is 3.5 ounces, so that will last quite a while. This one as well, yes. And then here's this one. I think this is the last item in here. Okay, that is it. Keeping that box, that is so beautiful. Then last up, we have the Patchouli Rose Bar Soap. This is for grounding. There's the organic oils of palm, coconut, olive, and palm kernel, patchouli essential oil blend, madder color, organic hemp seed oil, ooh, I like that, and rosemary extract. Ooh, this one's different colored. Ooh, that's pretty. That's super pretty. Wow, okay. I like that. And they are all 3.5 ounces. Okay, so we have a card here with all the information. So it says soap subscription. The total value of this box is $28.50. To buy individual items, go to Merkaela.com/shop. The playlist and affirmation are all complimentary from our heart to yours. So you will also get affirmations and like music along with the subscription box. So let's go and read about this one first. Patchouli Rose Bar Soap. The value for this soap is $9.50. The earthy scent of the patchouli rose soap grounds the mind to conspicuously influence desire. Handmade from natural oils and herbal extracts to provide the perfect hydration while restoring the skin. That's nice. This is my favorite one, the Tea Tree Bar Soap. Here. This is $9.50. For centuries, the powerful properties of tea tree oil have been commonly used by the indigenous Aborigines to heal cuts, wounds, and skin infections. Today, we use these powerful features of the tea tree oil within our soap to regulate acne and clarify oily to combination skin. Containing 12 more times antiseptic power of phenol and strong immune building properties. The hibiscus, these words are hard, okay? I'm not a scientist. Reading doesn't have anything to do with science, but you know. Earthy aroma stimulates feelings of purity. The natural oils and herbal extracts restore the skin, providing the perfect hydration. I like it. Okay, and then last but not least, we have the Oatmeal Lavender Bar Soap. This one is also $9.50. The easing aroma of lavender invites you to experience more calming moments. The oatmeal within the soap further soothes your skin, making it super soft and supple. Handmade from scratch with natural oils and nurturing herbal extracts. Its luxurious bubbles will leave you cleansed and super happy. Yes, it will. I'm already feeling calm just smelling these. Okay, and then there is the affirmation, and then there's the meditation playlist created by Alex Edge. Meditate on aligning while you listen. Oh, that's so cool. So that was everything that came in my Merkaela box. What did you guys think of it? I thought this is a super cute idea. I love how they have different options that you can get. And they also give you the affirmation, which I love this so much. Let's just read it one more time. It was super cute. I place my beliefs in alignment with the experiences I wish to have. I am attuned to my higher purpose, and my life reflects this refinement. My life is beautiful, and more beauty is revealed to me each day. What does that affirmation mean to you guys? I love it because right here, it says, I place my beliefs in alignment with the experiences I wish to have. I'm a firm believer if you want something, if you think about it enough and you put it into your life enough and you're constantly thinking and striving towards that goal, it will happen. It will present itself to you in a way that it will come at the right moment, and it will come when you need it to. Like, I just noticed I have this written on the back of my hand. It's my tire size. My tire's balding and I need a new tire. So I am going to think really hard about how I need a new tire because, everybody's going through a lot right now and a lot of people are strapped for cash right now. So I'm going to think and I'm going to will it into my life because it's meant to be, and I'm going to make it meant to be. And your mind is just such a powerful tool. It really is. There's so much of our brain that we don't access that I've done a lot of research into this, and it's kind of along the lines of The Secret. If you haven't watched that, you should. So that is everything I have for you guys today. What do you guys think about this? 3 luxurious, high-quality bars of soap for $16 every 4 months? I think it's a pretty good deal. So I love you guys so, so much, and I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.